Hey beauties! I'm sharing with you my new DIY frizz-free all-in-one styler. To begin, I'm using Jamaican purple sea moss, which has over 92 minerals that does amazing work for your body, skin, and hair. I wash about 3-4 cups of the sea moss, cleaning it for a minimum of 3 to 5 minutes to make sure all the salt is removed. It's very important to clean the sea moss before using it. Then you allow the sea moss to soak in spring or distilled water for about 20 to 30 minutes. I set the sea moss aside to soak. In the meantime, I boiled 2 cups of water. These ingredients that I'm using will cater to our hair needs and issues. If you have frizzy hair like me, this will definitely help to keep it under manners. It will provide you with amazing slip to ease your tangled hair, give you moisture, shine, and strength while minimizing hair loss and an itchy scalp. The slippery M will be added first and will boil for about 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat. The marshmallow root will get added and will boil for another 10 to 11 minutes, and I make sure to stir constantly so nothing will burn. Once the texture thickens up to my liking, the heat gets turned off, the hibiscus and the peppermint gets added. I give it a good stir, and now it's time to strain. Every time I do my mixtures, I always like to strain twice just to ensure nothing is left behind because that stuff will get stuck in my hair. So I like to use a stocking cap. If you don't have a stocking cap, you can always use a cheesecloth. Once that's done straining, I take myself back to the purple sea moss. As you can see, it did enlarge. Sea moss will soak up all that good water. So it's very important to use clean water while you're soaking your sea moss. I transfer it to an applicator bottle and then I put it into the fridge to cool down. With the remainder sea moss, this gets stored into a jar and I use that for my drinks or my smoothies. Alright, so I just came out the shower. My hair has been shampooed and deep conditioned. I left the shower cap on so my hair would not dry out. And I already went in with the Afro G Carotene and Green Tea Reconstructor as my leave-in. I just sprayed it all over, made 2 sections, and I clipped each section up. My hair is still a bit damp, but just in case, I have my just plain old water. And of course, the star of the show, the sea moss hibiscus leave-in / gel. And also too, just in case I want an extra bit of hold, I have the aloe vera gel, 99.9% aloe vera gel, just to give a slight hold if I need it. You already know I got my gloves. This side obviously has no product besides the Afro G spritz leave-in, and this side has been taken care of. The back is done. It's just this little section right here, but so far I'm like, okay, all right. We see the definition. It's holding up really well to the point where I'm like, I'm not too sure if I'm gonna need the extra gel for hold, but it is summertime, so god. Glasses. Like, where the frizz at right now? I know it's still a bit wet. That is the back. This side is already drying. I'm pretty much left with a little bit less than half. Actually, it's about right up to here. So I don't think you guys can see that, but I have about that much left. So I used a little bit more than half. So I should have enough for my next wash. If not, then I'm just gonna have to pair it with like a hair gel, but this is bomb. I think I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Aloe Vera Gel, which is the same gel that's in the Hibiscus leave-in. So I don't wanna, like, you know, mix too many things. Just a little bit on the roots. I'm not gonna put a lot. This is another pump. Just to go through the hair just a little bit. And one more pump. So I did about 3 pumps. I just did my crown area and the length of the hair. Just in case we get that humidity weather. But other than that, I love the way it looks. There's nothing like making your own hair products, applying it to your hair, and it coming out super bomb as if you used like a store-bought product. That is why I love doing these recipes. And I really hope this comes out and helps somebody else, especially with my hair type, because having fine hair that is high porosity, gets tangled easily, it sheds easily, it gets super dry easily, and to be looking like this. This is my second DIY leave-in conditioner using hibiscus flower. If you guys want the original recipe, which does not include purple sea moss, make sure you check out that video below. As always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and you already know, I'll see you for the next video. Bye guys.